Good morning. Today we'll study about the nouns of an English grammar. So we'll start with that one. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea or emotions. In short, it is a naming word. Means when we call a person with a name or a place with a name, animal or a things with a name, the name itself is called a noun. So it is classified as two. One is common noun and a proper noun. Common noun are the general name of a people, place or a things of the same kind. They do not refer to a particular place or a people or a things. They usually begin with the small letters. So it is a general name of a people or a place or a thing. For example, if we call a people where we gather or this temple, school, like that, it is called a common noun. For a place and for a things like toy, box, picture, like that. So then coming to the proper nouns are the name of a particular people, place or a thing. They always begin with the capital letters. Here example is Rahim, R is capital, Mount Abu, M and A is capital, Thursday and Pepsi. Here the first letters are the capital. We'll see about the few examples for the common noun with the exercise. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. Write CN above common noun and PN above proper noun. Munish Premchand was a great writer. Here Munish Premchand is a particular name for a person, so it is a proper noun. Writer is a word which refers what he does. For that it is a common noun. Second one, he wrote many books in Hindi. Hindi is a particular name for a subject. So, and this books, it is in general. So, Hindi is proper noun and books is a common noun. Same way, other four are there. The words in each of the following rows are specific examples of a larger group. Write the name of the group they belong to. So, yellow, orange and blue, we call it this as a colors. Coming to football, hockey and badminton, we call it as games. Same way other, by making this three, when we make a group or is called common noun. Coming to the C exercise. Reading the descriptions given below, choose from a box a name that matches each description and write it in a given space. So, they are given few details: vegetarian, patriot, host, optimist, pessimist, optician, confectioner, pilot, actor and baker. So, baker means, as you know, one who bakes in a bakery. So, for that we can make it as bakes bread. And for example, pilot flies an aeroplane. So, we can write in front of it one. Same way, other examples are there and I have given the details. And I will be sending the proper images for you to write in the textbook itself. Then coming to one more noun is collective noun. Collective nouns are the name of a group of a people, animal or a thing. So, it is a name given to a group of people. When a people joins together and make a group, for example, cricket players. For cricket players, it is a group of people where it makes a team. And sheep, a group of sheep is called flock. And group of flowers is called bucket. And same way, here they have given an exercise. Choose the correct noun to complete each sentence. So, the bale of dash fell off the cart. Cart, you know, it is a machine or a thing, you know, bullock cart. That is called a cart here. Bale, we refer to a cotton. So, cotton, a bale of cotton fell off the cart. Then we saw a pride of dash resting near the pond. Pride is referred to lion. So, we saw a pride of lion resting near the pond. Same way, other examples are given here. Then coming to the E exercise. Correct the mistakes in the use of collective noun in the following sentence and rewrite them. So here we can see a sentence, a pride of spectators gather around the winner. So pride is referred to a lion, okay, not for the person. So we call it as, instead of pride, we call it as a crowd of spectators gather around the winner. Then coming to next one, my suitcase rolled down the flight of chairs. Chairs is not a correct. It means it should be how it is rolled down, by a stairs. So my suitcase rolled down by the flight of stairs. Then coming to the keys. Keys we use it as bunch. Did you find a bunch of keys in this table? Same way other examples are there. Then coming to the other exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the box. So there are given few words which are suitable for this sentences. I'll take the second one. The little boy was frightened by a dash of ants. It is colony. For the ants we call it as colony. Colony of ants. Then coming to the one more. The police are looking for the notorious dash of robbers. For is gang. For robbers we call it as gang. That is referred here. So other examples are mentioned here. Then coming to one more is example. Fill the blanks with the suitable nouns from the box. So there are few nouns given in the box that has to be chosen proper for this blank. Here a herd of dash stood on the road and caused a traffic jam. So this herd, it is a group of a name of cows. So cows to be written here. A herd of cows stood on the road and caused a traffic jam. Then coming to one, a murder of dash cawed outside my window. For that one, a murder of crows. Crows makes different noise when one more crow was died. So the murder of crows cawed outside my window. Then coming to the one more is abstract noun. Nouns that name idea, qualities, feelings are called abstract noun. So ideas, qualities and feelings are referred to friendship, honesty and happiness. So abstract nouns are often formed from adjectives and one is from verb. So adjective here is brave. So the brave army men fought in the battle. For this adjective, instead of brave, we use it as bravery. The army men fought with a bravery in the battle. Same way here, Romola knows German as well. Instead of knows, we use it as a word knowledge. Romola's knowledge of German helped us while getting around in Austria. So instead of this verb of knows, we used noun as knowledge. And here one more exercise. Given below is a list of nouns. Circle the abstract noun among this. So sorrow, anger, happiness, grief, despair, hope and tolerance. These are the abstract noun used. For happy, we use happiness. Same way, different types of abstract nouns are here. One more exercise is change the word in red into abstract noun and use them to fill in the blanks. So same way for courageous, there is one more noun name that is called courage. So we have reframed this sentence. Everyone praised the soldiers for their courage. We should kind to animals by reframing the kind to a noun. Let's show kindness to animals. We framed a new sentence. One more example here. It has to be tick the abstract noun in the given brackets. So I have ticked here. My teacher gave me a good piece of what? Patience? No, it should be advice. Teachers gives us an advice. Same way others are there. And here one more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the verbs and abstract noun. So for arrive, arrival is an abstract noun. Same way different kinds of nouns, abstract nouns and verbs are written here. Fill in the blanks with abstract noun formed from the word in the given below. So again from the word permit we use a noun is called permission. Arrive, arrival. Hate, hatred. So by using this we have fill in the blanks. Then coming to the possessive forms of noun. So possessive forms are noun showing belonging or ownership. We put in a possessive forms of noun show belonging or ownership. We put an apostrophes after a noun to make a possessive form. So here the dog's food. So the dog is, we use S, apostrophe S. My brother's football. So we using this apostrophe S, this is called a possessive form of nouns. Here few exercise are given. In this exercise they have not put apostrophe S, so we'll put it and clear it. The teachers. So apostrophe S should come. It makes the teacher's table was painted red, which annoyed her very much. My father's office is near my mother's shop. So here father's office, yes, should be apostrophe. Same way others are written here. We'll be sending the images, and thank you for the day.